Which organ is responsible for filtering waste products from the blood? The correct answer is number B, kidneys. What is the normal body temperature for a healthy adult in degrees Celsius? The correct answer is number B, 37 degrees Celsius. Which of the following disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D? The correct answer is number B, rickets. What is the largest organ in the human body? The correct answer is number C, skin. Which of the following is a communicable disease? The correct answer is number C, tuberculosis. What is the main function of red blood cells in the body? The correct answer is number A, carrying oxygen to the body tissues. Which of the following foods is a good source of calcium? The correct answer is number B, milk. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? The correct answer is number C, cancer. What is the recommended amount of daily water intake for adults? The correct answer is number B, 2 liters. Which of the following is a primary cause of tooth decay? The correct answer is number A, bacteria. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? The correct answer is number B, hypertension. Which vitamin is produced naturally in the body when exposed to sunlight? The correct answer is number C, vitamin D. Which of the following is an example of aerobic exercise? The correct answer is number B, running. What is the recommended daily intake of fruits and vegetables for a healthy diet? The correct answer is number C, 5 servings. Which of the following is the leading cause of preventable deaths worldwide? The correct answer is number B, heart disease. Which of the following is an important mineral for maintaining strong bones? The correct answer is number D, calcium. What is the recommended amount of daily physical activity for adults? The correct answer is number B, 30 minutes. What is the primary function of white blood cells in the body? The correct answer is number B, fighting off infections. Which of the following is an example of a complex carbohydrate? The correct answer is number B, pasta. What is the normal resting heart rate for a healthy adult? The correct answer is number B, 60 to 100 beats per minute. Which of the following is a viral infection that affects the respiratory system? The correct answer is number A, influenza. What is the recommended duration for a good night's sleep for adults? The correct answer is number C, 8 hours. Which of the following nutrients is important for maintaining healthy eyesight? The correct answer is number C, vitamin A. Which of the following is the primary cause of cavities in teeth? The correct answer is number A, plaque. Which of the following is a communicable disease transmitted through mosquitoes? The correct answer is number B, dengue fever. What is the primary function of the pancreas in the body? The correct answer is number A, producing insulin. Which of the following is the primary organ responsible for detoxifying the body? The correct answer is number A, liver. Which of the following is a waterborne disease? The correct answer is number C, cholera. What is the recommended duration for strength training exercises per week? The correct answer is number B, 30 minutes. What is the recommended frequency for breast self-examination for women? The correct answer is number B, monthly.